Hey guys, welcome to Tools and Two, where we create tool reviews in 2 minutes or less to help your buying decision. Today we're looking at the Neiko 6-inch digital caliper. Now for 23 bucks, this is one of my favorite and most used tools in the toolbox. Definitely worth a go. Is it the most accurate? No. I've got tools for that when I need it. But let's do a little torture test on this first off to see if it's worthwhile. Number one, we pull it out and see how far we can go out. Does it return to zero? It returns right to zero. Now that's a tool that's accurate enough in my book right away, but there's a couple other things we're going to test. First off, in the Minotauro here, I've got a 1-inch standard. It's a Starrett standard from my 224 micrometer set. I'm reading dead nuts on. Let's pull that out. And it's a slip fit in there. Now these are slightly rounded at the edge, so they're not meant for a caliper, but it's still a nice little torture test. So let's set that in. Hard to do on camera, but let's just see where we go. Look at that. 5/10 off. I can live with that all day long. Maybe a full thou, depending on where we are in the jaw. But man, to be within half of a thousandth for a $23 tool, I can live with that all day long. One of my favorite features of this tool is saying when I'm on the lathe doing some roughing passes, here's where I need to finish. I'm going to measure something out. Say it's 516 thous. I can zero that, measure back up to my stock, and I can see exactly how much I need to remove, not the measurement of what my stock is. I don't have to do the math. This does it for me. That's a super handy tool. Get back to zero. I can zero that out, and you can show repeatability there. You're opening up, bringing it back down, right to zero every time. Now this tool has actually lived out in the rain and the snow for 5 days while I was building the tree house. It dropped into a pile of leaves and I thought I lost it. Found it. It's worked fine since. Cleaned up fine. It shows a little bit of wear, but overall for $23, this is a 9 out of 10. I'm never gonna be without one of these again.